What's up, y'all? Legacy 4x4 here, back again. This time we got the tailgate getting ready to get prepped. I put it on the 65 ready and it fits fine. So we're gonna get that, go ahead and sand that down. We'll do the same sanding that we did last time, but I'm gonna go 60 grit, 600 grit this time. See if it turns out any different, just because that's what I have. That's the paper I have. Same paint, same everything else. We're gonna paint everything blue on the sides, the top, the outside, and the inside we'll do black. And we will remove that center panel right there and make a wood center panel for that, because I think that will complement the skins. And yeah, that's coming up next. In between the coatings and the sanding and waiting for everything dry on that, I'm gonna be buttoning up all the small stuff on the wagon. I already got weatherproofing from the 84 on the wagon and all the fronts too. I'm gonna go ahead and button up that shitty exhaust weld. I'm gonna do some 2000 degree high heat putty and some of that hardens like steel exhaust wrap. I think it'll turn out fine. There shouldn't be any leaks. So we're gonna go ahead and get sanding on this, get going on the tailgate, and we'll start buttoning anything else up. See ya. All right, y'all. Got the Wagoneer up and running. Let's hear out those exhaust patches. It's so much farther than what it was. Alright, y'all. Just got the tailgate finally prepped, ready to go. I sanded it down with 80 grit first on the air disc. And then I went with 600 grit on the air disc, and I did it by hand in between the corners and crevices and stuff. You know, just a rough sanding. Doesn't have to be perfect. The rest of the truck's not perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same splits that I did with the rest of the truck. That way it looks the same. Alright, so putting the tailgate on right now. We're gonna do the last coat of paint and then clear coat when the tailgate's all the way on the car, so I know it matches and stuff. Like I said, it's not 100% paint job, it's only 90%, so not too worried about any small imperfections. But my dumbass decided to sell the parts Jeep before I took the latch catching mechanisms off the 84 Jeep, because these catch onto a pin and not on to this mount. So these screws are all stuck, but I'm gonna try and figure out a way to take off this mechanism catch and weld on a bolt or a nut or something that will catch with this mechanism. I mean, pretty easy. It rolls up. As it rolls up, this pushes forward, locks it in place. When you release, it pushes it backwards, allowing the tug to fall. It's pretty easy, easy to understand, but we're gonna try and get going on that. See ya. Yeah, grinder came out, hammer, pry bar, pliers assorted, on screwdriver chisels, and we got her out. Screws were stripped to hell, wouldn't turn at all. This little mount in here is stuck. I guess that's how it came, but I'll just weld the bolt right to the middle of this, wherever it fits on this. But ended up getting it out. I'll time lapse the other one now that I kind of know a way to break them off. See ya. Got everything removed. Got the trim being adhered into place on the outside. Got the rear tailgate panel off because the glass doesn't want to move up properly. And upon further inspection, the main gear on the driver's side has a few chips in it, to say the least. And the swing arm is not bolted down to the main gear like this one is, so it allows this to turn freely and really just jams up the window. So gonna line that back up in place. Gonna throw a little weld in there, try and tack into place maybe. I don't think I can. I guess I could use a really shallow bolt in it. Like there's a shallow bolt on the back of this side going up and then it's ground off. I could do that, but all right. As it turns out, the little press fit fitting was just laying inside next to all this junk in here. So that saved me a little bit of time. I just took it out, hammered it back in. I figured when the tailgate's already getting worked on, might as well clean the glass, and might have had a little bit of overspray on the top of that. My mask tape might not have been held right, so I'm gonna clean all that off. Get the glass prepped to reinstall in the tailgate, and then go finish the coats on the tailgate. I'm unsure if this is really common knowledge or not, but if you ever get paint on glass, razor blade, 45 degree angle, and just, you know, gently go to town, and it all starts coming off. But I'm gonna continue on here. I'll be back. All right, got the glass all cleaned up. Sorry, the air compressor's going off right now, but next logical step's gonna be to sand down the back, paint it black, make a wood panel for here, wood panel for the insides, and finish up painting this middle part blue so that it looks all clean. Put the glass back in, put the tailgate up, and then weld on some catches or some mount bolts, something to catch this little release against the 65 wagon.